everyone, my name is Stella. I'm from Singapore. So first of all, thank you very much, XTrend. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to actually win this $5,000 cash. So the feeling of winning this $5,000 was absolutely awesome, incredible, and it's like a mini jackpot to me. So trading with XTrend, the experience was pretty simple. Easy to deposit, easy withdrawal, no gimmicks, and everything is legit. So thank you very much. I enjoy trading with you, XTrend. Good job, well done. Thank you.